So the rules of control account reconciliation is that when you're doing the reconciliation, that means when your customer account is not equal to your control account, SLCA, you have to reconcile. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So there are certain rules that you should know. You know SLCA has what balance?
Debit.
Debit balance. So when you're reconciling or when you're correcting the errors, if you have to write it something on the debit side, what will you do?
Add it.
And if you want to write on the credit side?
Subtract it.
Okay. TLCA has what balance?
Credit balance.
If you want to write something on the debit side, what will you do?
Subtract it.
And if you want to write something on the credit side, you
Add
will
it.
add it. Whenever they talk about your sales ledger, okay, that means they're talking about your customer account. Whenever they talk about the purchase ledger, that means they're talking about supplier account.
Supplier account.
Whenever
Okay.
they talk about ledgers, that means they're talking about the customer account or supplier account. Another rule you should remember is that for overcast, you will do the correction on the opposite side.
Opposite side.
For undercast, you will do it on the same side. If you have done something on the wrong side, okay, so how do you correct it? You will write it on the correct side but double amount.
Okay.
If something you've done, instead of doing on the debit, you did it on the credit side. Okay, but the amount was correct. So when you're rectifying it, you will do it on the correct side but double amount.
Okay, fine.
Okay, this is the basic rules that you keep in mind while doing the reconciliation.